Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm honored, I'm humbled, I'm happy. What can I say? What can I say? I want to share with you shortly, don't worry, Jacob, the opening point in time. It was 1992, 35 years ago, when in Tel Aviv, in Tel Aviv University, it was decided to establish a project for the study of anti-Semitism, which became an institute and then a center, and start this work. When word went around that such an enterprise is about to begin, a good number of scholars, mostly from the Department of General History, but also sociology and others, objected forcefully. And they had, if I can sum it up, they had 4 points. Remember, it's 1992, that was a long time ago. They said the following. 1, studying anti-Semitism, this is not an academic issue. It's not an academic, it's not defined, it is too emotional, it's all about feelings on the part of the anti-Semites, on the part of the researchers, both Israelis and Jews. It's an emotion, it's not academic. 1. 2, the next argument, their argument was a researcher of anti-Semitism is bound to be or become a rightist on the right side of the political map, even if he did not start so. And you know that right is a 4-letter word in the academia. And why is that? Because dealing just with a narrow nationalist issue, just the Jewish people, is too narrow, too nationalist. A person, a scholar, should be on the left side, a universalist who deals with all the minorities, the suffering minorities, and does not concentrate on one. 3, it's not an academic occupation or an academic enterprise because it's clear that it will bring cooperation with government agencies, with international Jewish bodies and Israeli bodies who are not academic. And the result it would be cooperation, and we should all be in the ivory tower. How come such cooperation or serving governmental agencies and the other institutes? Gewalt. Okay. 4, and last point, they had more, but 4, who will study anti-Semitism? You can count those who want to do it on one hand, and that's it. And there will be no followers and no young generations to continue it. Dina, we suggest that you drop this bad idea, and that's it. Okay. And they had more arguments. I will not go into them. But Kinderlach, look where we are. Look at the long way we have come. Look at this impressive conference. It is an academic issue, and how? Many universities made a joint effort to have this conference, to have the work done, to have it pushed forward. Research goes on per se, and if the results of the research are open to the public and the agencies and bodies can use them, go ahead, zu gesund, absolutely. And we have So many youngsters, look here. We have sons, daughters, grandsons, and granddaughters already who continue, open new ways, as they will do in this conference and in the work afterwards. I'd like to wish all of us a lot of success this week and later. I'd like to thank you really for the good idea to give me this award. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know who first had it, but definitely thank you very much. You know that I come originally from Argentina, so gracias a la vida que me ha dado tanto. Thank you.